This is the marinade for my 5-spice chicken. 3 tablespoons 5-spice. One tablespoon kosher salt. 1 tablespoon black pepper. Mix that together. Okay, now comes the fun part. 6 tablespoons of mustard, yellow mustard. 1, 2, 3, 6 tablespoons of mustard. 9 tablespoons of pure maple syrup. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Maple syrup. 3 tablespoons of sesame oil. 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar. 1, 2, 3. 6 tablespoons of soy sauce. I use liquid aminos because it's less sodium. So 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 6 tablespoons of oil. I have olive oil with basil in it that I'm using. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tablespoons of avocado or olive oil. And then we're going to whisk this together. And we want to combine all the wet and the dry ingredients together. And then we're going to add our garlic. 6 cloves of garlic minced. And I have this little chopper that I love, that I use all the time. So that's 6 cloves of minced garlic. And then 1 stalk of celery diced up. And 1 yellow onion diced. And this is our marinade that we will soak our chicken in for 3 or more hours or overnight. Just like that. This is for 12 chicken thighs. This marinade is. So now I'm going to pour this over the top of our chicken thighs. I'll cover it and put it in the refrigerator for 3 or more hours, or overnight if possible. And then you just make sure that every piece of your chicken is covered in the marinade, because we want it to soak in to every piece of chicken that you have. Just like that. Okay, I'll be back. In our 5 spices. And we're just going to put it on there. Just like that. Okay, now I've had it soaking, and I've got my chicken in my baking dish with my little thing, and there's water that I put underneath it so that the water doesn't touch the chicken. And then we will baste this, make sure it's skin side up. And you put your marinade and some of your onions, and we're going to marinate this every 15 minutes. And when it's done, I will show you. I will bake this all together for about 40 minutes. There it is. Okay. And into the oven it goes. Guys. With our baste. Every 15 minutes, we will do this for our 5 spice chicken. Just like that. And then I will show you the results when it's done. Dinner is served. 5 spice chicken with brown rice and broccoli with a hint of garlic, chili sauce, and some maple syrup.